How to get Blackmagic camera app on Android. Now, as of 2025, good news that Blackmagic camera app is already available on Android devices. But the bad news is it is only available for limited operating system of each of the Android devices that we have. So if you go ahead to Play Store and then just head directly to the search bar and then just type in Blackmagic camera, you can see that there is no option or Blackmagic camera is not available on our app store. But what you can do is just head to one of your web browser that you want to use. For example, let's use Google Chrome. And then from here, just simply type in Blackmagic Camera APK. So if we choose on Blackmagic Camera app, that will be redirecting us to Google Play. You can see that my device isn't compatible with this version. But if you would insist to download this app, even if it's not compatible with your device, you can go ahead and download the APK version of Blackmagic Camera app. What you can do is you can go ahead and click on this link right here that will take you directly to up to down and then just download the APK. And this is going to be the APK that you can see, which is on your file downloaded 18.61 megabytes. Take note that this could harm your device because this is not compatible with your phone. So you can go ahead and download it at your own risk. So that's it. That's how you get or download Blackmagic Camera app on Android.